back to another video, and today I want to go on the topic that there's another alpha in Animal Jam. And that alpha what? Is this dolphin. This dolphin is apparently an alpha. And I mean, it's really actually confusing because I never seen this in my life before. Some of you might know, and that this is an alpha, but actually, in a YouTube video that Jelly Jones posted, so we have this one, and it's actually really funny. So at the end of this, we have this.
Jamers, I'm a puzzlers. Get away. I hate this family.
Anyhow.
Dolphin tail, minus the tail. Hello, Jamers.
See?
I'm a positive role
This
model
is an
for
apple.
children who suffer from limb injury or loss, and I'm one of the most positive and encouraging alphas. LOL, Toby. Who even goes under...
Toffee. That's an alpha. And I just realized it when I watched this video.
So lame. LOL, yeah, true. Oh.
This video is really fun. I'll leave the link in the description. But it basically says that this is an alpha, and I just realized that. And or that. So, yeah, I just realized that's an actual alpha. So, she's an alpha, but she hasn't any adventures or anything. And I mean, they could do more of this alpha. I mean, come on, they could, like, I just never realized it. Like, these are the 6 main alphas, but there's that 7th one. And it's just surprising to me that they have, like, that other alpha there. So, there's another alpha in Animal Jam. And it's this one. I mean, it's just surprising to me is that they haven't, like, included this alpha in any of their things. But they always had Liza, never barely have Graham or Cosmo. Greeley they always have, and Peck, oh boy, they're all over Peck. And Sir Gilbert is like, oh, okay, it's still Gilbert, I guess he's okay. And it's just really, really cool that there's another alpha in Animal Jam. It's actually really surprising to me. So yeah, that's that kind of stuff. That there's a new alpha in Animal Jam. I mean, did you guys know about this Taffy one? Because I never knew about this. I mean, but you guys need to watch this video.
Dolphin tail, minus the tail.
I love that.
Hello, Jamers. I'm a positive role.
Like, it's just so cool that I just found out this
limb injury or loss,
alpha.
One of the most positive and encouraging alphas. LOL, Tommy, who's even heard of that? Yeah, I know. Who even goes underwater? It's so lame. LOL, yeah, true. Oh.
I'm really just like, you guys have to watch Jelly Jones skits. They're so good. So yeah, there's a new alpha in Animal. Well, not new, just an alpha in Animal Jam, and that's a dolphin. It's just kind of surprising because it's like you think Greeley and Liza are all land animal ones, and they're like cool alphas, but we actually have another alpha. That's a dolphin. Leave in the comments if you think that you knew about this, because I never knew about this alpha. But the dolphin, that's all we know, and it's Tavi or something. So yeah, I actually am very cool with that. So I mean, we need some new alphas and stuff. So yeah, that's kind of that. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you hadn't. And if you want to know more about the alphas and stuff, I'll be fine to do that. Bye!